Tanks need to expel their components at the same rate to create good foam. While there is pressure in each tank, the speed at which the components are forced out is dictated by the temperature of the materials inside. Kits stored in a cool environment should be brought up to operating temperature in a warmer area, shaking them periodically to redistribute the internal temperature. Components can be used between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, but best results occur at 75. Kits that are too cold or too warm spray off ratio. Foam at green makes it easy to see that you're getting the right mix the whole way through. When the blue and yellow components are sprayed evenly, your foam will spray out light green in color, taking out the guesswork and worry that comes with kits with two yellow components. Have questions? Contact Foam at Green.